everyone, my name is Sinora Ratulius. Jadi saat ini saya akan berbagi tips menjadi moderator yang baik dan benar. Oke, dalam sebuah acara, untuk menjadi moderator yang baik dan benar, yang perlu kita ingat yang pertama, moderator adalah perwakilan dari audiens. So be relaxed. Sebagai moderator, harus santai, jangan berlebihan. Oke? Yang kedua, seorang moderator harus punya satu mentality yang namanya curiosity atau penasaran. Jadi contohnya jangan cepat puas dengan satu jawaban saja. Oke, yang ketiga ini kita harus ingat dengan baik, yaitu moderator harus tahu siapa pembicaranya, latar belakangnya apa, pendidikannya apa, dan karyanya apa. Kita harus tahu agar kita dapat mengarahkan mereka untuk menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang dilontarkan audiens yang kita wakili selaku moderator. Oke, yang keempat, kita harus menjadi moderator yang asik, menyenangkan. Jangan terlalu pasif. Oke, buatlah pertanyaan yang menghibur dan menggali setiap jawaban agar diskusi semakin menyenangkan. Oke, jadi teknisnya bagaimana sih membuat diskusi menjadi lebih menyenangkan? Yang pertama, sampaikan pertanyaan terbuka kepada narasumber. Contohnya, apa pendapat Anda? Bagaimana pendapat Anda? Yang kedua, ketika narasumber sedang berbicara, jangan menyanggah. Berikan waktu, kesempatan narasumber berbicara dengan nyaman. Mulai saat ini, stop menyanggah narasumber berbicara, karena itu tidak baik. Oke, yang ketiga, untuk merespon narasumber saat berbicara atau menjelaskan, cukup dengan gestur atau dengan memberi anggukan. Seperti contohnya ya. Oke, seperti itu. And then yang terakhir, perlu diingat, moderator adalah perwakilan audiens. Jadi pertanyaan-pertanyaannya yang mewakili audiens. Oke, nanti saya akan berikan contoh menjadi moderator yang baik dan benar. Oke, for example of being a moderator. Thanks for the opportunity. Hello everyone. How are you today? Okay, will good ya? Okay, my name is Sinila Ratuliu. I will guide the talk show session on this occasion. Okay, in this talk show session about sales marketing, ladies and gentlemen. Talking about sales marketing, of course, every entrepreneur has hopes, want to increase its sales, especially in this digital era where competition is required. However, in reality, entrepreneurs and middle-class businesses are still confused about developing their sales strategies, and it is still difficult to market their products. So, the question is, what factors make it difficult for middle-class business to increase their sales? Then also, what types and tricks entrepreneurs should be used in marketing their products? So, on this occasion, all of this will be discussed by our resource person who are present at this time. He is an internet marketing expert, has a businesses with the brand name Bolo Kids. Okay, and of course, it already has the largest branches in several cities. Let's just call and give a big round of applause, Mr. William Wells. Well, our resource person has a period before all of us. And later, in the first session, the resource person will explain the material for approximately 30 minutes. Then, in the second session, there will be a question and answer discussion with the moderator. And finally, there will be a question and answer session with the audience. For that reason, I invite Mr. William to explain that material. Please, Mr. William. Well, applause once again for Mr. William Wells, who has explained the material. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are entering the second session, namely question and answer with Mr. William. So, Mr., the first questions concern the material that you have present now. Okay, can we give applause to our present speaker? Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for us to enter the third session, question and answer session. I'm giving 3 people a chance first. Please ask if you want to ask. Please raise your hand and tell me your name and where you come from, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you are very happy. We are grateful that the current series of discussion sessions have been carried out well. We would like to thank our resource at this time, Mr. William Wells, who has shared his knowledge with all of us. And also, thank you to the audience who have listened enthusiastically to our discussion at this time. Please give applause to our ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching.